art style.
Me too.
Any information on fables in our community will be somewhere in these books. We already know her name, but feel free to have a look if you like.
Me.
Yeah.
Well, duh.
There's no way.
I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be me.
Yeah.
The
Dwarves. The less said about that, the better. Hi, buddy.
The woodsman?
Yep. And his axe. Yeah, the two of them. I wonder what the story was. Beauty and happier days.
In happier days. Something's going on with them.
Yeah.
And her man, Beast.
Funny.
Oh, it's
Colin.
like 3.
Colin and his brothers.
What are their names, though?
That's as far as we got.
Colin and his brothers.
Oh,
Yeah,
is that her?
that's her, all right. A long time ago.
Ichabod Crane, little scary cat.
Ichabod Crane. Scared shitless.
Okay, but if a
The
headless
boss.
horseman was attacking you, wouldn't you run?
Finest moment.
Yeah.
Hard to understand how he ended up running this place.
Yeah, how?
Yeah, he's a bit of an asshole.
Well, maybe it's time that changed.
Uh-huh.
Yes. Badger?
I haven't seen Badger around for a while.
He likes his privacy, I think.
I wish Toad would like his a bit more. Nice hat.
So I'm assuming we're definitely going to see at least each of these characters once. I mean,
Yeah.
we've already seen these two. The huntsman, Snow. We're probably going to maybe see the dwarves. Yeah.
We've seen Colin and his... Well, we haven't seen his brothers, but we've seen
Just
Colin.
Colin. Yeah. Okay, so we should maybe go to, I don't know, the mirror? To see where
Yeah,
her
maybe.
husband is?
If that's one of the options.
Well, better be.
Mirror, mirror, blah blah able, blah 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 about this fable.
Of which fable do you wish to know?
Oh, Faith's father is an option.
Okay, let's see.
Show me Faith.
Through powerful magic, her whereabouts concealed. Unfortunately for you, these lips are sealed.
What?
These lips are sealed. It's not my choice of phrasing, Bigby. It's simply the way this has to be.
What's the secrecy?
Yeah.
That's your father.
Show me Faith's father, the old king.
Ooh, he's
dead.
dead.
Guess that crosses him off the suspect list.
Good, though.
Okay.
Good.
Yes. Prince
He's a
Lawrence.
prince, I think. Show me Prince Lawrence.
Ooh.
What's he been doing? Where is this?
Where's what?
Do you know where Prince Lawrence lives?
If he's a prince, probably relocated in the South Bronx. Yellow
South
building, red window shutters.
Red frames.
Yep, that's the one. I can take us there.
Nobody right now.
Anything we can use?
Yeah, that'll have to do for now.
Come on, we're going over there.
Damn. Okay.
Oh, the phone's
Sorry,
ringing.
I have to get that.
What if she just didn't?
Hello, Woodland's business office. Yes, He is. Hold on. Bigby. It's for you.
How did they know?
How do they know?
Bigby, it's me, Toad.
Oh.
You there?
What do you want?
Bigby, shit. Listen, right, there's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's things. Get over here, Bigby, before he... Oh, wait, hang on. Oi, shit. Hey!
What was
Something's
that about?
happening.
Hard to say. Something going on over at Toad's place.
What about Faith's husband?
I don't know, I couldn't really tell. But he could be in trouble. And we should go there anyway to search her apartment. Toad might have to wait.
No.
Whenever you're ready.
We have to go to Toad first, though.
But I don't even think that's an option. You can't choose. Aww. Let's go through the door first, as it should be.
As a gentleman.
Did Toad say who was there? Was it the woodsman?
I don't know. It's possible. Whoever it was, it didn't seem like Toad was happy to see him.
Well, maybe Prince Lawrence can wait.
Yeah, he didn't see him. He could use some help, too.
Yeah. So we go see Toad
Well,
first?
Where to first?
Oh, okay. It is an option, thank God. I hope.
Bigby, shit. Listen, right? There's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's
You
things.
think
It
he did
could
it?
be...
What's her husband's name?
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
We're going to Toad's apartment.
Okay.
Toad
good.
sounds like he needs help right now.
Because it
You
could
can
have a
check in on Prince
connection.
Lawrence after.
I'm like,
Could.
I'm turning into a
Okay.
detective right now.
I'm
But,
not looking
you know, it
forward
could
to
have a
breaking the news.
connection.
We'll see if
Anyway.
you're turning to a good detective.
We'll see.
You may be a mediocre.
You know how many true crime podcasts I've listened to?
You know how many true crime podcasts I
And
don't
we ended
listen
up
to?
going out the window, and I landed on
That's fair.
Toad's car.
You guys made a real mess.
Yeah. Looks worse than the day.
You just went up through the whole
Wall.
Is somebody up there?
Yes.
Hey! Wait here.
I love the way he moves.
Shit.
Why did he say something?
Yeah, why'd you say
I
something?
don't know. Damn.
I'm sorry.
That's enough, all right? Just shut it.
Oh. What's happening now?
Okay, wait.
I don't even remember half of this shit.
Okay. I don't think there's anything really.
Is that the kid?
Is it Toad's kid?
Is that Toad's kid?
Going in.
Is that his son?
Toads? I think.
Be nice in there, okay?
Aww.
Hey, Toad. You in there?
Bigby! And Miss White! Surely you didn't come all this way just for my bother?
Oh no.
Sorry, Bigby. It's embarrassing to have to admit, but I thought there was someone else in Woody's place. There wasn't, though. Not when I checked. Nothing but a leaky drain pipe. Imagination must have got the best of me.
Nope.
So, you know, false alarm.
There was someone, but they took off when we got here.
Is that right?
Maybe it
I
was
guess
Toad.
your dad's ears have a year or two left. Haven't gone totally to the dogs, eh?
It kind of looks like his jacket.
Are you alright?
He's fine, Miss White. Just stung his little toe. Better swimmer than walker, just like his dad.
Wanna...
So, I guess you'll be taking off now. No need to hang around here anymore.
Nope, that's suspicious.
I
That's
mean,
suspicious.
I'm sorry you came all the way here for nothing. But it was nothing, really.
Someone was here, and something's going on. Just so this trip wasn't a complete waste of time, I'm gonna look around a bit before we leave, okay?
Good.
The longer you talk, the longer this takes, so just stand over there and shut
All
up.
right. I just don't want to waste your time, is all. Have a seat. Have a cup of tea. Whatever you like.
Yeah. I will have some tea.
Grown-ups. Am I right? Hey, you know what? Flycatcher said you had a pretty awesome insect collection. I'd really love to see it. Is it in your room?
It has a weevil.
Cool.
So cute.
Just mind the upholstery while you're looking for nothing.
Yeah, sure thing.
Oh, the lamp is knocked over. That's suspicious. That's what we in the business call suspicious.
Yes.
How'd this happen?
Fucking hell. Damn thing must have fell off the table.
Uh-huh. The lamp just fell off the table.
While the boy was faffing about, playing
It's the
salts and
ghost.
swordfish. Who knows with the lad?
I'm not gonna talk to him. Maybe we can go here and see what's. Hello, go see.
Blood.
Oh,
You bleeding?
Why? Is that...
It's blood. Still fresh.
Oh, well, I cut me hand. Ran around like a tit trying to pick out a wrap. Must have got some on the furnishments.
Yeah, but his
Lamp in
hand doesn't
pieces,
work.
blood on the wall. It's awful, I know.
Sounds painful.
Oi, don't you go mother henning now. The wound didn't sit very long, you know. Perks of being a fable, I suppose. And a frog.
oh, maybe they heal. They do heal fast.
Yeah, but how fast?
No, I didn't want to go there. I wanted to go down here. Look.
That more blood?
No, just a clean space in the dust. Did you move something?
The lamp.
Ah, maybe one of Junior's toys or something. I mean, who knows?
Because the other two lamps were plugged into the wall. That lamp was not plugged in. So there's a plug behind there. That lamp had to have been there.
Mm-hmm.
So someone picked it up
If
and
you're gonna say
threw it.
something, out with it.
That broken lamp used to be here, right? Just tell me what happened.
Nothing happened, mate. Nothing!
I
And
smell
why
a
did the
liar.
lamp have to be there, of all the blooming pointless inquiries? It's my own place. Don't you think I'll know what happens in it?
Because it wasn't on that table, Toad. There isn't any room in the electric outlets.
Huh? What are
It
you...
was plugged in over here, and now it's there.
I did some refiguring. Who fucking cares?
And to not plug it in? Come on, Toad.
I just hadn't gotten around to it yet. You see how many damn plugs there are?
Okay. I guess. Oh, what was that?
Ooh, fireplace. Ooh, there's blood on that too.
Could do a better job dusting. Oh no.
So what happened?
What happened?
There's fresh blood on the tip. I could smell it from the door.
I was poking the coals and it slipped a bit.
That's so
Sliced up
sexy
in my
of him.
foot like a seashell. Looked like a shit ugly thing.
He could smell it from the door.
Okay, Sheriff. Now what?
Oh, that's true.
Wait, you dropped it on your foot? You told me before that you cut your hand.
Yeah, no, I did cut my hand. I cut my hand first, and that made me drop the damn thing on my foot. Ruinous flip of events, really.
Mm-hmm.
I don't trust it.
Well, why would there be blood splatter on the
Oh
wall?
my God, will you not make a big faff out of this? There's nothing to solve here, Sheriff. I'm telling you everything that happened. Why don't you believe me? I mean, things happen, you know.
I think maybe you're hiding something.
Hiding something.
Maybe. But, to tell you the truth, I don't know yet. But I know you're lying about something.
But I'm not...
And you're just gonna make it worse for yourself the longer you keep up the act.
I'm not bullshitting you. Honest.
We'll see.
Okay, is there anything else here? Oh, window.
You know that when he does that, he scratches his beard. Oh, so sexy.
Oh, there were claw marks on the window.
What is it now? If it's blood, you know what happened.
No, there's marks here on the windowsill. And what's that about?
No real reason. Just last night, when I'd come out, I was in a downright tizzy, mate, as you would be. And I plumb forgot the keys to this place. And I had to climb in through the bloody window.
Really?
Scared Junior off to death.
Scratch marks?
I don't think it was Toad who climbed in through the window.
Nope. I think that might be it. We can go into the other room.
Though most people think they are.
Uh-huh. How's it going?
Toad's hiding something, but I don't know what yet. Did the kid say anything?
No, nothing really. He was really upset, though, earlier. He won't say why. Something's
That's
going on.
suspicious.
Stay with the kid until I figure out what.
Can we, like,
Is there anything else? I guess we gotta
talk to him?
Yeah.
we can also leave the
Place
apartment.
needs a bit of dusting, I suppose.
Look, you want me out of here, I want out of here. Just come clean. What's going on?
Place needs a little brooming, that's all.
Use a liar.
Okay.
Ooh, examine busted latch.
Oh. That's what it is. Okay.
Your lock's busted.
Eh?
The lock. It looks like somebody kicked in the door.
Oh, for Christ's sakes, a fucking lock's been busted for weeks, mate. Right, it's just like everything else in this bloody building.
Why haven't you fixed this?
Yeah.
Anyone on the street could just walk right in.
Yeah.
There's better priorities than busted doorknobs. And who's
No,
gonna
that should
come
be
in
your
and take
first
anything? There's
priority.
nothing to take.
Your child.
Bigby,
Yeah, it's
come
a
on,
lot.
I'm begging for mercy over here, old boy. I was looking forward to a nice afternoon, just me and me son, and you've taken up enough of a day with all this sniffing around at me private belongings. I'm sorry I called, really I am, but will you please just bugger off?
Not yet.
Not yet, you say, to my face. You think I'm hiding something from you? Well, you've had to go out of the room for a fair bit of time now. Nothing's here. So when? When are you gonna leave? I mean, I feel like I'm on trial here. In my own bloody home. It's not seemly.
When you start telling me the truth, Toad.
Well, I've told you the truth, mate. Jesus Christ, what more do you want?
Toad, these stories have made no sense. You didn't cut yourself on the poker. You didn't forget your keys. You want to tell me what's going on?
Yeah, if your door can't
She
lock,
doesn't think much of me.
why
I
would
don't
you need
think.
keys?
Oh, I wouldn't necessarily say that. Progress? Mr. Toad, you're bleeding.
Take off the hat.
Aww.
It was that butcher, a Tweedle, Dumody. You gotta strip them down to their johnnies before you can tell which is which. He come bulging in, screaming about something the woodsman had. Or thought he had, I don't know. He tore up the place, beat me up when I said I didn't have it. I tried to go out the window, but he pulled me back in.
What was he looking for?
I have no idea. I would have told you. I wanted to, really, I did. But he said if word of this ever got back to him, if he ever thought you knew, or Miss White, he'd come back and kill my boy.
Oh.
I even tried to give the bastard
Okay,
a
I forgive
coat.
Toad now.
He wouldn't take it.
Whose coat?
The girl.
Dad borrows things from people who live here. Sometimes.
Borrows?
I don't steal nothing. Turn around here would astonish you, mate. I merely repossess what's been left behind.
Well, we'll be taking the coat now. If she has next of kin, family, anyone.
All right. Fetch him the fur. Fine bit of dress it is. No, I wouldn't wear it outside.
It's her.
Wait.
It's her. It's
Yeah,
her cloak.
there's a note. Oh, there's a note.
Wow, how observant of you.
I know, thank you.
They highlight it,
Envelope.
and you're like, oh, there's a note.
Of course there is. For my luck, it's a map to some bloody doubloons.
It's addressed to Prince Lawrence. Do you want to try and give it to him, or?
See, I knew there was a reason why we came here first.
Don't
Should we
make
open
it a
it?
dilemma.
Oh, damn.
I think we should open it.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Faith.
What could she have been sorry for?
I don't know.
That's it. I'm sorry.
Maybe Lawrence does.
Well, it's been quite a surprising day for all of us, hasn't it? I'd see you out, but I'm afraid of dripping any more blood in the place.
It was very nice talking to you, TJ.
Thanks.
Aw.
See ya.
Toad Jr. TJ.
Oh, he just wants his son to be safe.
Well, wouldn't you?
Yeah, but I think that's adorable.